Finally, you got up. Let's go for a walk. But I'm hungry. I just got up. Come on. Last time our little walk thing was delayed from that stallion. And now we gotta go for another walk. We don't have to. We just have to walk. Come on, let's go. Okay, let me just grab something to eat. Okay. Look at the view. Ugh, the mud's really deep here. Be careful. Okay. Come on. Look at the grass. Whew, the river. Hey, look what's down there. Huh? Hey, let's go across. Whoa, it's pretty deep here. Whoa. Come on. Ew. 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 I don't do mud. Come on. Ew. Whoa. Whoa. Ew. Let's go back down. Okay. Sandra, what was that? Oh God, I don't know. Let's go. Whoa, be careful. You're going on that. Okay. Wow, look at it. So pretty. Pretty? Really? I'm gonna see if we can get it a little closer. No, wait, don't. Ah! No! Wait! Ah! I'll get her. Oh, no, wait, come back! Ah! Natasha! Oh no! Oh, Natasha! Oh! Where's she? What am I doing? I'm supposed to kill every horse. I'll just kill her tomorrow. Yeah. What's the point of killing an already dead horse? Keep dropping her. I'll put her on my little room thing. But for now, she can lay there while I go make it. Nothing. There. Now she can just chill there. Where am I? Huh? Oh. Where am I?